Blessings, everybody, and welcome to day 4. Day 4 is a little different with the sourdough starter. So this time we are going to discard. You say, what is discard? Well, it's taking some out. Now, this is what mine is looking like so far. I got lots and lots of bubbles, but it didn't rise much, and it actually has some liquid, as you can see. That is called hooch. Yes, hooch. So we're gonna now take some out, okay? And I'm gonna put it in this. So I'm gonna take about 2 tablespoons worth of this out. I'm gonna mix that hooch back up in there. And then I'm gonna take about 2 tablespoons out. That's 4 tablespoons, I'm sorry. This is a 2 tablespoon scooper. And then 2. All right, so we took some out, we discarded. All right, and now I think I'm gonna switch into a bigger jar. So I think I'm not gonna go here. I'm gonna pick out of these 2 which ones to go, and I think I'm gonna go with this one right here. So now I am going to pour all my stuff in here. Try to get it all out. I already have a rubber band on this jar. And this is actually a sourdough starter jar. If you're interested in your own sourdough starter jar, I will have a link in the description box to order it off of Amazon. Let me see, let me get as much as I can out. Okay, now we discard it. So now we just throw this out. Do not use this. Once your starter is established, you can then use your discard. But until your starter is still trying to start, we are going to throw that discard away. All right, I'm just gonna wipe that out a little bit. And now I'm going to add my 4 tablespoons of water. That's 2. And that's 4. Alright, try this out a little bit, and now I'm gonna get my 4 tablespoons of pizza flour. That's 2, and that's 4. And now we're going to mix, mix, mix. And so from now on, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna discard. That's called discarding. So once your starter is all done, by the 14th, 15th day, you can then put some discard away, and you can use it for different recipes. Like, I'm gonna add a little bit more flour because it seems a little watery to me. I feel like it can be a little bit thicker. Let's see. All right, yeah, that's better. Not so watery. So remember, if it's watery, you can add a little bit more flour. If it's too dry, you can add a little bit more water. All right. Pretty much got it pretty smooth. Trying to get all the stuff out. And now we gotta scrape the sides. Then I'm gonna pull my rubber band down to the level. And when you see hooch, like it showed, that watery line, that means that your starter is hungry. That's what I failed to mention to you guys. When you see a separation and you see water, or it looks like liquid, that means your starter is hungry. It's like, feed me, Seymour. It's like, feed me. So, all right. So now, I'm gonna bring my rubber band to the level where we at. All right, and I think we are good. So now I'm going to put on my little shower cap this time and set this to the side, and we're done. So day 4, remember, discard. Take out how much flour you put in. You're gonna take that out, and then you're gonna add fresh flour and water into your starter. Okay, that's called discarding. And you're gonna be discarding from day 4 on to day 14, okay? So, thanks for watching. Remember, it's not too late to start your own starter. You can always go all the way back to day 1 and go ahead and get started. And if you're following along, let me know down in the comment section what you think about it. Oh, and I want to tell you, when you smell your starter, it's gonna have a horrible smell, okay? Don't worry about it. It's just getting all that good bacteria in there, so it has a little bad smell. But don't worry, it will change once your starter gets established. So don't go by what it smells like. We wanna go by what it looks like, okay? So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in day 5.